Good morning, my sweets. Welcome to week 7, day 2 of CSI. Today, we're just going to go ahead and go through your reading, and I can help you out with those questions again. Everybody did a really awesome job of the ones that I saw yesterday. Of going ahead and giving me sentence starters. So today we're going to go ahead and make sure that everybody's doing that again and finding all the good clues and juicy details that are inside of this reading. So first we're going to go to the title. Remember, the title can tell us all about something. So today we are learning about sailboats. And look, in case you didn't know what it is, there is a beautiful little sailboat. Here's a little wooden bottom. Looks like it has some white sails and even like a little flag. So let's remember those details that we saw in case we need to use them for later. All right. Sailboats are vehicles that float on water. They are used for transport, racing, recreation, tourism, by emergency vehicles, and military, and even by some people to live on. Although some boats are powered by rowing, motors, or energy from the sun, sailboats move when the wind in their sails propels them forward. Sailboats have a tiller or a wheel that is attached to a rudder or underwater fin. This is used by the crew to steer the boat in the right direction. It is easier to steer a sailboat when it is moving at a faster speed. So, number 1 says, describe some ways that boats can be powered. So a lot of people already did this last week, but I'm going to go and see if I can type again here because I want to make sure that we are using those sentence starters that are here. Oops, that's not what I want to do. Well, it doesn't look like it's going to let me do it today, y'all. But that's all right. So number 1 says, describe some ways that boats can be powered. What do you think? Say out loud is a great way to start that sentence. So describe some ways that boats can be powered. I would say, remember, usually it's already in that sentence for you. Some ways that boats can be powered are, so say it with me because I want to make sure that you frame your question, your answer the right way. So some ways that boats can be powered are, so that's what you write for number 1, and then go ahead, get your details out of here. I know it tells you quite a few. Number 2 says, how does a sailboat steer in the right direction? How would you start this question? Let's see, maybe Tommy or Jackie can help me on this one. Say out loud how you would start number 2 before you even answer it. So hopefully you already said, but I will help you. It says, how does a sailboat steer in the right direction? I would say sailboats steer in the correct direction by doing blah, blah, blah. I don't want to give you the answer, so I'm going to let you fill that in, but make sure that you are using the words in here to start your sentence. Number 3 says, why do you think sailboats are an important type of transport? So why do we think that? So who thinks they already know what to write? How do they start their sentence? I'll give you a hint. This word, this word, this word, and this word you don't need. Who thinks they can make one starting with sailboats? Maybe Michael, maybe Tony. So I would start it as that sailboats are important types of transport because, and then I would write my answer afterwards. Number 4 says, would you like to live on a sailboat? Why or why not? Now remember, this one's an opinion question and you can really start it however you want, but it would sound awesome. Your sentence would sound so much better if you said, I would like to live on a sailboat because, and you could say, or I would not like to live on a sailboat because. You guys have been doing really good on this assignment, so I won't keep you for too much longer. But remember, I am always available for questions if you have them, and you guys have some really strong skills on how to pull out the correct answers for this already, so I think you should have no problem today. I hope you guys have an awesome day, and I will see you later.